if he is willing to help, or if they are willing to help, then that means they're not taking the burden with them. They're just taking it off of you.
Correct.
Diba?
Yeah, I love that.
Hindi nila kukunin yun sa'yo eh. Tatanggalan lang nila konti. Sabihin nila, tanggalan kita 1 kilong stress.
Yeah,
diba?
right.
Nag-usap tayo, 1 kilo na naman.
Yeah,
lang.
that's true. And a really interesting thing about what you said is that, yes, pwede na tanggalin yung stress, but yeah, of course, the stress is still going to be there. Diba? Kumbaga parang, pwede na tanggalin sa'yo yun, mawala ka agad. Or pwede na lang hawakan muna, just hold it up for you for a little bit so that you can breathe. That's true. I like that better. Kasi at the end of the day, that's still going to be your stress. It's not their stress.
You're not gonna throw it away.
No. The way I saw it is like, I know people have helped me in a way parang ganun kasi. It's like, they understood when I shared my problems with them na stress ko pa rin yun. Like, I'm still going to experience that no matter what. Pagkatapos nating mag-usap, it's still my problem.
It's still your problem.
It's still my problem. Yeah. However, they lifted it a little bit so I can see it. And then after that, since nahuwasan pa ba? Diba? Nahuwasan. Tama. It lightened my load and then I was able to think a little bit clearer kung paano ko siya tanggalin na stress.
So now that you have it again, it's like, I can lift this easy na lang.
Yeah.